In today's video, I'm going to teach you use the navigation pane. If you've ever wrestled with a stubborn blank page at the end of a document, this is the fastest and cleanest way to find it and remove it without hunting around line by line. We'll keep it simple and stick to what works. First, make sure your document is open and you can see the ribbon at the top. We're going to turn on a built-in tool that lets you jump to any page instantly. Look for the View tab on the ribbon. Inside that tab, find the option labeled Navigation Pane and check it. As soon as you do, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. This is your document's map. In that panel, select the Pages section. You'll see a visual list of page thumbnails, arranged from the first page to the last. This makes it easy to spot extra pages, especially blank ones that might not be obvious in the main view. Scroll through the thumbnails until you find the blank page you want to remove. It often shows up as an empty white rectangle at the end, but it can appear in the middle too if there's extra spacing or hidden content pushing text forward. Click the thumbnail of that blank page to jump straight to it. This centers the page in your main document window so you're working in exactly the right spot. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard. In most cases, that immediately removes the empty paragraphs or breaks that are creating the blank page, and the page disappears. If the page doesn't vanish on the first try, don't worry. Make sure your cursor is active on that page and press Delete again. Sometimes there are a couple of invisible empty lines that need to be cleared. Also, double-check that the page really is blank before deleting. If you see any text, images, or headers and footers you want to keep, stop and review so you don't remove something important by accident. Once the blank page is gone, you can keep the navigation pane open to move around quickly, or uncheck navigation pane in the View tab to close it and get more screen space back. A quick tip: saving your document after the change is a good habit, so your cleanup is preserved. That's it. Using the navigation pane makes locating and deleting blank pages fast, accurate, and stress-free.